way to the Rodz and Dogz car show, June 22nd on a beautiful day in Kelso, Longview, Washington.
Yeah. Well, you probably got one.
Yeah. Wheels of Hope van's here. Yeah, it's not very long. Yeah, you can take it.
One more try.
When you're
Kind of hard with that arm.
Yeah, that counts.
Your chance.
for the best prices around, go for the greatest cars in town, go save a whole lot of
Got that on camera, right?
Well, they let everybody else.
You can't read mine.
Is that you?
Yes.
Where's your seat?
when you need a car or truck, go to rent. Save a whole lot of bucks, go to rent. When your old car is trashed and is sucking too much gas, go to rent. Auto sales, go to rent.
Did you get this van signed?
For the best prices around,
Ooh, bees after me.
for the greatest cars in town, go to rent. Save a whole lot of bucks when you need a car or truck, go to rent. Auto sales, go to rent.
Well, once again, everybody, we want to welcome you to the second annual Rodz and Dogz event. Good to see you all here. Great looking vehicles, good food, good friends. Do want to remind you that the 2013 Wheels of Hope van is here. If you want to make a donation, cash, non-perishable food items, or even a good quality new or used clothing, it will all go to Community House in Longview. And when you make a donation, you get to sign the van in permanent ink.
Went out.
In fact, this is the last public appearance of the van before we donate the van to Community House next Friday afternoon at Fiber Federal Credit Union down in Longview. So please feel free to make a donation, just $1, $5, whatever you got. It will all go to Community House along with this van, which has been provided by Rick's Auto Sales. Rick is here, hanging out. Good to see you, man. And obviously our presenting sponsor, Fiber Federal Credit Union in Longview. Once again, make a donation. Community House really has a lot of need. They help a lot of people in transition. Food gets used very well. Lots of resources get used up, so they always need cash. That's a great donation. So $1 or $2 would be awesome. I'll be over there by the van. My wife Jana and Pink is there. We'd love to hand you a permanent ink marker so you can autograph the van however you like, and that becomes a permanent part of the donation. So thank you for your support. We at Bicoastal Media thank you. Rick's Auto Sales, thank you. Fiber Federal Credit Union, thank you. And of course, our beneficiaries this year, our good friends at Community House, they thank you as well. Have a great time here at Rodz and Dogz.
Bucks when you need a car or truck, go to rent. Auto sales, go to rent.
Ripping around.
I know, that's pretty cool.
Go to Ritz. When your old car is trashed and is sucking too much gas, go to Ritz. Auto sales, go to Ritz. For the best prices around, go to Ritz. For the greatest cars in town, go to Ritz. Save a whole lot of bucks when
He's got a little bit something to say. I just wanted to thank all you guys for coming out. This is a great show. I got beautiful players here.
car, truck,
I just
go
can't
to
do
Ritz.
it. And
Save a whole lot of bucks, go to Ritz. When your old car is trashed and ain't sucking too much gas, go to Ritz. Auto sales, go to Ritz. For the best prices around, go to Ritz. For the greatest cars in town, go to Ritz. Save a whole lot of
Grown up and sleep in the bed. Then when I was alone.
When you need a car or truck, go to Ritz. Save a whole lot of bucks, go to Ritz. When your old car is trashed and is sucking too much gas, go to Ritz. Auto sales, go to Ritz. For the best prices around, go to Ritz. For the greatest cars in town, go to Ritz. Save a whole lot of bucks when you need a car or truck, go to Ritz. Auto sales, go to Ritz.
Walk-ins. Fort Carpenter tickets. 3-5-1-1-7-5. 3-1-1-7-5.